Third video about making accessible logo on websites. Amazon Web Services homepage as an example using JAWS Screen Reader.
Visit link. Click here to return to Amazon Web Services homepage.
Currently the logo is shown as click here to return to lalala. And what it could be.
Task switching.
I have modified locally this website.
Visit current page. Link. Graphic. Amazon Web Services homepage.
And now screen reader users can see this logo as a graphic, not as a link only. I decrease voice rate of my screen reader.
Visited. Current page.
Link. Graphic.
Amazon Web Services homepage.
Screen reader users can see that this is a link, this is a graphic, this is a current page. I'm already on the page where this link navigates me to. This is not just a link, but this is a graphic as well. I can press Insert Ctrl G.
Select a graphic.
Dialog.
List 1.
List view.
Amazon Web Services homepage.
1 of 25.
And I have full list of graphics on this page, and this logo is shown in that list. Escape.
Escape.
And what we have on original page.
Cloud Computing Services - Amazon Web Services left paren AWS right paren. Next margin. Visit link. Click here to return to Amazon Web Services homepage.
I press Insert Ctrl G.
Select a graphic.
Dialog.
List 1.
List view.
What dash is dash AWS?
1 of 24.
And I do not have this graphic in the list. So blind people cannot communicate with sighted people who could explain, please find the logo and click on the logo. It's important to expose the same content to blind people as we expose to sighted people. When we have similar visual and screen reader interfaces, this allows us to communicate between each other without a confusion. What is the change to expose the link as a graphic?
DevTools. Less span role equals quote img quote aria dash label equals quote Amazon Web Services homepage quote greater. Click here to return to Amazon Web Services homepage less slash span greater selected.
I have modified the span element, adding role equals img attribute and aria dash label attribute.
Less aria dash current equals quote page quote ref equals quote https colon slash slash aws.amazon.com slash nc2 equals h underline lg quote greater open selected.
And this anchor tag now has aria dash current equals page attribute as we discussed in the video number 2. And aria.
Next margin.
Code heading level 4.
img.
Normal. Code.
Left paren roll right paren.
We have description of this role img.
Normal.
Visit
Heading
a
left.
container for a collection of
Same page link.
elements that form an image.
Please watch my next video making accessible logo on web pages.